Mornings can be a scramble, alarms blaring, toast flying, and barely a moment to breathe. The sun's barely up, and already you're racing against the clock, trying to get everything done before the day truly begins. Maybe you're juggling breakfast, searching for your keys, or just trying to find a matching pair of socks. It's easy to feel frazzled before you've even had your first sip of coffee. But what if you could add a dash of sparkle to your routine in just 5 minutes? Imagine transforming your morning chaos into a moment of calm, where you get to focus on yourself, even if it's just for a few minutes. A little bit of self-care can go a long way in setting the tone for your entire day. No complicated steps, no fuss. Just a simple makeup trick to help you feel put together, even on the busiest days. You don't need a drawer full of products or a professional's touch. With just a few essentials, you can create a fresh, natural look that highlights your best features and gives you a boost of energy. This isn't about changing who you are, it's about a quick boost of confidence. It's about starting your day with a smile, knowing you've taken a moment for yourself. When you look in the mirror and see a bright, refreshed face, it can make all the difference. Whether you're an inventor, a shopkeeper, a student, or just someone in a rush, this routine is for you. No matter your role or your schedule, everyone deserves a little pick-me-up in the morning. It's a universal trick for anyone who wants to feel ready to take on the world. Let's gather our essentials and whip up a look that's as easy as cheese and crackers. Grab your favorite blush, a swipe of lipstick, and maybe a touch of highlighter. Nothing fancy, just the basics that make you feel good. You'll be surprised how quickly you can pull it all together. A touch of colour, a bit of polish, and you're ready for whatever the day throws at you. It's amazing how a few simple steps can help you feel more awake, more confident, and more prepared to face anything. So, let's dive into this 5-minute makeup adventure together. You'll see just how easy it is to start your day with a little extra sparkle and a whole lot of confidence. Every good routine starts with the right tools, and when it comes to makeup, having a thoughtfully chosen kit can make all the difference. The right products not only simplify your routine, but also help you achieve a polished look with minimal effort. But don't worry, you don't need a whole workshop or a drawer overflowing with products. In fact, a streamlined set of essentials is all you need to create a beautiful, everyday look. All you need are a few multitasking basics: a tinted moisturizer or BB cream to even out your skin tone and provide a natural, radiant base, plus a creamy concealer to cover up any blemishes or dark circles. Add a pot of cream blush for a healthy flush of color on your cheeks, a swipe of mascara to define and open up your eyes, and a brow pencil or gel to shape and frame your face. Don't forget a tinted lip balm. It hydrates your lips while adding a subtle pop of color, perfect for any occasion. These essentials work together seamlessly, giving you a fresh, natural look. No fancy gadgets or complicated techniques required. With just these few items, you can create a look that's both effortless and put together. And remember, your fingers are often your best tools for blending cream products, warming them up and helping them melt into your skin for a flawless finish. If you prefer, a fluffy brush for blush can give you a soft, diffused look, but it's totally optional. Use what feels right for you. Tinted moisturizer smooths and hydrates your skin, while concealer hides any spots or redness, creating a perfect canvas. Cream blush brings life and warmth to your complexion, making you look instantly refreshed. Mascara lifts and defines your lashes, making your eyes look brighter and more awake. A brow pencil or gel helps you fill in and shape your brows, giving your face structure and balance. Finish with a tinted lip balm for a hint of color and lasting moisture, so your lips feel comfortable all day. With this simple, trusty kit, you're ready for anything the day brings. Let's get started and see how these essentials come together. Time to create a smooth, even base. Squeeze a pea-sized amount of tinted moisturizer onto your fingertips and dot it on your forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks. Blend outward and upward for a natural finish. Dab concealer on any blemishes or under eyeshadows, patting gently with your ring finger. For extra speed, mix a drop of concealer with your moisturizer before applying. Keep your hands clean for the best results. In just a minute, you've got a fresh, even canvas. Cracking job. Let's move on. Now, let's add some life to your cheeks. Smile to find the apples of your cheeks, then tap on a bit of cream blush with your finger. Blend in gentle circles, moving up toward your temples for a natural flush. Want a quick trick? Dab leftover blush onto your lips for a coordinated look. This two-in-one step saves time and ties your look together. In just a minute, you've added warmth and radiance. Simple, speedy, and effective. Ready for the next step. Let's wake up those eyes. Mornings can be tough, but with a few simple steps, you can look instantly more awake and refreshed, even if you didn't get a full night's sleep. It all starts with the brows and lashes, your secret weapons for a bright, lively look. Use a brow pencil or tinted gel to fill and shape your brows with light, feathery strokes. Start at the inner corner and work outward, following your natural brow shape. This helps create definition and structure, making your eyes appear more open and expressive. Tidy brows frame your face and make a big difference. Even a quick touch-up can lift your whole look, giving you a polished, put-together vibe in seconds. Next, apply mascara. Wiggle the wand at the base of your lashes, then sweep upward. This technique helps separate and coat each lash, adding both length and volume for a naturally enhanced effect. One coat is enough for a natural, wide-awake look. If you want a little more drama, add a second coat, but keep it light to avoid clumps. If you have time, add a touch to your bottom lashes. This step really helps open up your eyes, making them look bigger and more alert. Smudged? No worries. Let it dry completely, then gently flick away with a cotton bud. This keeps your look clean and flawless, with no need to start over. In just 2 minutes, your eyes look bright and refreshed. You'll feel more confident and ready to take on the day, no matter how early it is. Now you're prepped and perky, onward to the final touch. Last step, lips. Swipe on tinted lip balm for instant color and moisture. No mirror needed. Just apply and press your lips together. For a softer look, dab balm on with your finger. Used blush on your lips. Add clear balm for shine or leave matte. This step is quick, fuss-free, and completes your look. In seconds, your smile is ready to shine. You're done. And there you have it, a fresh, confident look in just 5 minutes. No complicated steps, just a simple routine that fits any busy morning. With practice, you'll be even quicker. Maybe even with your eyes closed. Well, not for mascara. This routine saves time, boosts confidence, and leaves you ready for anything. A little self-care goes a long way. Enjoy the extra minutes and the positive start to your day. Remember, it's your time and your routine. Make it work for you. Cheerio.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.